I've got to be quiet now. My dogs are sleeping, I think some of them are still awake. Oh, look at that. Don't know if you can see them, but I'll pick one out now, yeah? Oh, come here. Come here for a minute. This one here. Go dog, come on dog. Come here. Go. So, whilst she's feeding them and trying to sleep with them and stuff like that, I've got my other dog in here. Don't know what the time it is. But yeah, got my other dog in here. He's destroyed the kitchen. Literally. My brother just watching TV. Actually, guys, I am going to do a video of me wrestling on the trampoline, but I'm going to take it down after 4 days. So watch it whilst you can and share it whilst people can watch it, so people can watch it too. Yeah, that's all, but subscribe if you're new and like this video if you like seeing my dog's newborn puppies. And hopefully before they all go, maybe we sell them all, maybe we don't, but hopefully if we do, then we don't sell them all before I can do another video on them. But that's all from me, guys, up to now. Bye.